The National Testing Agency (NTA) will conduct the Common University Entrance Test (CUET) PG 2024 from March 11 to 28 in computer-based mode throughout India and in 24 cities outside India. The National Testing Agency has released the schedule for conducting examinations for 157 subjects. This time, the exam will be held in 3 shifts. The first shift will be conducted from 9 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. The second shift will be held from 12:45 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. and the third shift will be from 4:30 p.m. to 6:15 p.m. Meanwhile, the NTA has also released the notification for inviting online application forms for the Common University Entrance Test (CUET UG 2024) for admission to undergraduate programs into central universities and other participating universities, institutions, organizations and autonomous colleges.